Welcome to the second part of this video editing series. Today we will take a closer look at the process of shooting. Since we will cover digital media, it could also be called recording. If you are planning to shoot a live action scene with people or nature, I recommend checking out other guides for that step, as I will be focusing on digital media recording. One thing to consider is that every decision has its trade-offs. For example, using one camera is cheaper and easier, but it limits you to just a single angle. On the other hand, if you use two cameras, you get more angles, but it requires additional equipment and personnel to do so. You also need to consider lighting, sound, and other factors. But now let's move to the topic at hand. When it comes to digital videos, it is crucial to ensure high quality in the input. It's better to record in a higher resolution now and downgrade later than to start with poor quality. After all, garbage in, garbage out. Also, you shouldn't overdo things. Personally, I suggest going with 1080p as its quality is more than good enough. Also, people watching videos rarely watch them full screen, and a lot of videos are also being watched on phones, and simply there is no point. The file sizes are manageable on 1080p, but if you grow from it to 4K, let's say that an hour of recording, which is 10 GB in 1080p, will turn to around 40 GB in 4K. And this is a good example of why you should turn off the things, like I will be mentioning later. We'll discuss software, encoders and settings in the next part. While you are recording, make sure to minimize distractions from your surroundings and PC. Let people at home know that you need some time on your own. Silence notifications and turn off your apps like Steam, Discord, email, and don't forget to your phone. Set it to silent or just disable it, because you don't want any distractions while you're in the middle of a recording. Another important aspect is your voice, especially if you're not showing yourself in the video. How you sound can vary based on your mood and energy levels. Try not to record too late in the day, as fatigue can affect your voice. If you're feeling unwell, it is best to wait, unless it is absolutely necessary for you to record the video. Stay relaxed, and when using a script, aim to make it sound like you are having a conversation or that you are explaining rather than just reading. Avoid a monotone delivery. Varying your tone keeps your audience engaged. Now let's have a look of an example of reading. So, Isonzo is a World War I game set on the Italian and Austro-Hungarian border. And now let's do the same thing a little bit more varied. Isonzo is a World War I game set on the Italian and Austro-Hungarian border. Your voice is the connection between the viewers and your content. Talking about video content, you can use your own recordings. If you record people or on public places, please check the law. True, it is unlikely that you will get in any issues, but nowadays anything is possible, so it is better to be safe than sorry. Or you could find footage online, like the one you are seeing right now. Just be mindful of licensing. A fantastic free resource is pexels.com, where you can search for both images and videos without needing to credit the creators. Its content can be used for personal as well as commercial use. You can use PowerPoint too, or any other program that allows you to manipulate visuals. Basically, you should use programs that fulfill your requirements. For music, I recommend the YouTube Audio Library, which you can access to your profile. Click on it, now open YouTube Studio, and now in the lower half you will find the audio library there. Here you can find different genres. If you are speaking over your video, avoid tracks with lyrics. For videos without speech, feel free to use them as well. Just know that some songs require attribution, which you can identify in the library. The copyright situation is crazy, and using anything licensed can cause you a lot of problems, except it is for personal use, for at-home use, and even if you rely on fair use, for education purposes, it's not guaranteed that you will be problem-free. Lastly, when you record, ensure the sound levels are being balanced. The right volume level will depend on how loud you talk and also the quality of your microphone. But we will delve into this further in the next video. That's all for today. Happy recordings, and I will see you all next time. Gaming Teacher, out.